Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Jordan, and today I'm going to be restoring the headlights on my BMW X5. Let's get started. And here's just an overview of the kit we're going to be using today. So over here you have 8 of the oxidation removers, sanding sponge, 2000 grit, 3000 grit sandpaper, and also the ceramic clear coating. And here's just a close-up of the headlight with the scratches and oxidation. Pretty typical and actually not too bad for a car with 120,000 miles. And here's just the first part of the kit. It's these oxidation removal wipes. You'll just go in circles and you kind of remove all this kind of junk, and I'm not exactly sure, it's just chemically kind of cleaning the headlight, getting preparation for the wet sanding coming soon. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is spray the headlight with water just like that. I've also got this 2000 grit sandpaper, and we're just gonna do some back and forth motion of sanding left and right to go ahead and start getting rid of some of that oxidation. You don't want to do circles because that's really hard to get off. And here's just the most tedious part of the whole kit is actually wet sanding it. You start with a 2000 grit, and you just want to make sure you're doing some linear motion, cleaning it every so often like you see me here doing, just to kind of check your progress, making sure you didn't miss any spots or anything that kind of looks out of array. I'm using compressed air to actually help dry it as well. We've gone ahead and sanded it all with 2000 grit. So now we're going to bump it up to 3000 grit and just get that last remaining layer until we put the ceramic coating on. Okay, so now we've done all the sanding on the headlight, 2000 grit, then 3000 grit. Now we're ready to apply the Cerakote ceramic coating. So we're going to start with this cloth here, wiping in slow horizontal motions, doing a half lap, just like that. What do you think, Luke? Does it look good?
It's a yes. It's a yes.
Say, it looks good.
It's good.
Yes, it is. Nice and shiny.
Yes.
All right. We've got all that on there. Now this just needs to cure. We'll come back in a couple hours and check out results. Here's just a quick close-up of the after effect about a day later. The car is still a mess. I need to get it washed, but here's the after. So what did I think overall? So I think this kit was really good for 90% of getting rid of all the imperfections. I think the best way to kind of get a good restoration is to either get new lenses or to go through and do like a multiple step polishing process. But for what this was, I think it was a pretty cheap kit. I think it's about $18. So for those that would kind of just want to DIY and get it like, 90% done and not have to worry about taking out the headlights and taking the lenses apart, I think this is a really good solution. So we'll have to see what it looks like long term. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to do some more E70 restoration and also some other vehicles. Thanks for watching.